Today is the big day. I am traveling to New York City today. My suitcase is packed and ready. My backpack is on. Let us go. The taxi is already waiting for me outside. I must hurry right now. Please take me to the airport. I have a flight to New York.
Here we are, the airport. Have a wonderful trip to New York.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is it. My adventure begins right now. This airport is so big and busy. Where is my airline check-in counter? Good morning. Here is my passport and my ticket to New York City. Your flight leaves at 9:30. Go to gate 15. Have a nice flight. Now I must go through security. I hope the line moves very quickly. I take out my laptop. I remove my shoes. Everything out now. No beep. I passed security successfully. Now I collect my things here. Gate 15. I see gate 10 here. I am walking the right way. Can I have one large coffee with milk, please? Thank you. Of course. Coming right up. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Enjoy. Here you go, one hot coffee. Thank you so much. This coffee is hot and delicious. Perfect for my long flight ahead. Here is gate 15. My flight is on time. Boarding begins soon. That is my airplane. It is big and white and beautiful right there.
Excuse me. Are you also traveling to New York City today?
Yes, I am. Yes, exactly. This is my first time visiting New York. I am so excited.
Oh, that's exciting. You'll love it.
I can't wait.
Me too. My first time also. I want to see everything in New York. Really? That's so exciting. Me too.
We should totally explore together. Yes, I'd love that. Good morning, passengers. We are now boarding flight 204 to New York. Here we go. I am boarding the airplane now. This is so exciting.
Yeah, wait, exciting.
Yeah, finally. I can't wait. I am walking to the airplane door now. This is really happening. Welcome aboard. Your seat is 15A on the left side. Enjoy. Thank you. Row 15. Here is my seat right here. Window seat. I am lucky. Perfect. My seatbelt is fastened. Now I can relax and wait here.
Excuse me, I think I am sitting right here next to you.
Oh, wow, what a coincidence.
Small world. Good to see you again.
You too. What a coincidence. We are sitting together now. That is so funny. Please watch our safety demonstration. Exit doors are here, here, and here. The airplane is moving now. We are leaving the gate. Here we go.
Look at all those other airplanes down there. So many big planes.
We are going so fast, faster. We are flying. We are up in the air. This is so amazing. Look at all those beautiful white clouds below us. They look like cotton. Would you like something to drink? Water, juice, coffee, or soda, please? Water would be great, thank you. A Coke, please. Apple juice. I would like orange juice, please. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome. These are all the places I want to visit in New York City.
Wow, that's a great list. I've always wanted to see the Empire State Building.
Right? We should go together.
I want to see the Statue of Liberty and Times Square too.
Oh, me too. Always wanted to see the Statue of Liberty.
And Times Square. The lights must be incredible. We are beginning our descent into New York City now. Please return to seats.
We are going down. I can see the land below us.
Wow, look at the patchwork fields. The city is on the horizon.
So we're getting closer to New York.
I see the skyscrapers. This is incredible. Look, I can see New York City. The tall buildings, everything. Look, there, that one. We are landing now. Hold on, right now.
We landed. We are on the ground in New York City now.
Welcome to New York. The local time is 2:30 p.m. Thank you. Finally made it. That was a long one.
Thank you so much. We made it safely. We are in New York.
Yeah, I can't wait to see the city.
Wow, I can't believe we're finally here.
Yeah, the flight felt endless. I'm starving.
Me too. We should find a place to eat.
Do you want to share a taxi into the city together?
Yes, that is a great idea. Let us get our suitcases. I see my black suitcase. It is coming around right there.
Perfect. Now let us find a taxi to Times Square together.
Here we are. Welcome to New York City. Our adventure starts right now.
あ、すいません。
Tawasan